we're here with the second person. 5 packs this time.
Hey, 5 packs to open from Roaring Skies. I almost forgot the name of the pack. Great.
Great, amazing.
So,
all right.
To start off, we've got Voltor, Inkay, Binacle, Halucha, Cascoon, Healing Scarf, Gliscor, Switch, Inkay.
Who do I?
Ooh, that's a nice.
Shaman EX.
That is a $6 card, I think. I'm not sure.
Cute.
I'm not
It's
sure.
really
I can't remember.
Oh,
Nice.
I need a sleeve for this one.
Oh, I don't have any.
Okay.
Again, we're in Montreal. That's why I have nothing with me. And Otakuthon 2015. We're gonna be here all 3 days. Well, we're here the second day, so might as well stay the third day.
Thank you. Alright, well, I'm just gonna make sure this stays in good condition.
Put it in a pack again.
Right? See, I knew it. I knew eventually buying over half that box I'd get something.
Well, I might have something too, huh?
Yeah.
I got 6 packs, so. You got a Switch, so you got a shiny, I can't remember exactly how it's called, but.
I don't open them as great as some people who open them. Like, they open just the top like that.
Yeah,
I
they
can't
make
do
it. They make them like sleeves. They make them look like sleeves.
I wish. I don't have the talent to open packs like that. Okay.
And one note, when I open my packs, I'm gonna put a raffle in, so please leave your comments. And as many packs as I open, probably that's how many I'm gonna have as codes.
Alright, so we've got our
Thank
first
you.
card is Execute, Halucha, Pikachu, Natu, Zero, Gliscor, Tranquil, Wally, Galley Spirit Link, Reverse, and a half-art Articuno. Cassie wants this one, you can have this one. This is my extra if you want this card.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're so kind. I have it already.
Because of the video. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but it's going crazy. We got the, what is it called? The
Caramel dancing.
what?
Caramel dancing.
Caramel dancing. Okay. I honestly don't know that much. That's why I got these 2 here.
Oh, it's okay. I had that one already open. It took me 5 minutes to open it.
Honestly, if I get some decent cards, like slowly opening packs, I might actually get back into Pokemon professional.
This one's beautiful.
Stop caring so much about your packs. Sheesh. Oh,
You don't judge.
I don't judge anyone. I judge myself more than anyone else.
So, we've got Wingull, Fletchling, Bagon, Electric, Halo,
Tropius.
Skyfield, Rayquaza Spirit Link.
Nice.
Our reverse is Natu, and funny enough, our rare is a Zafu. That's funny.
Very rare.
Oh yeah, so rare. It's
So
not
rare.
It's uncommon, whatever.
You can call it uncommon as much as you want. It's a common.
Uncommon's uncommon. So here are 2 packs left. Okay, I don't have a Galley pack. I need to open this thing.
Gotta open it carefully. Not gonna manage. I'm sorry, you lose.
I lost the game. Already?
Come on, you can do it.
I want to open it full. Yeah.
You can do it. Just do it.
What have I done?
I might bring
I don't
Pokemon
know.
cards at home.
I think
from
you
home
made it into a different kind of pack.
and sell them tomorrow.
What?
I may bring some Pokemon home cards from home and sell them tomorrow.
Good.
Even if I get like 10 cents, I don't care. I mean,
Never say that.
I don't really care for my devils. Really?
Eventually, I'm just gonna make a big collage of all my.
That's cute.
Basically, get a binder. Get a huge ass
I
binder.
do. It's still.
You should see my binder.
Okay.
Got like
Mine's
3
pretty
binders
full,
all
too.
full.
Boltworm, Pikachu, Wurmple, Bagon, Binacle, Electrode, Manectric, Mega Turbo, Frick. Ooh,
And a
full art.
of Winona.
Ooh, this
Ooh.
one might be good.
Dang.
We'll check this out later. We'll check this
Ooh,
out later.
Winona,
What?
she's really pretty.
All right.
So far,
Last pack.
got 2 epic.
1 half art, 1 full art. Both shiny. For once.
This is an EX, not half art.
Oh, yeah. Half arts extend over the picture, so.
One more
Over the
pack.
box. So 1 more pack.
Okay.
So you got Winona. So I don't think I'll get a full art, huh?
No.
In my packs. Oh my god. My packs are gonna be bad. Unless like the box was like super good.
Yeah.
Last pack for Miss Stephanie here. Stop smiling that much. You're gonna ruin the camera.
I know. I'll blind the audience.
Your whitening smile. See, I don't just make fun of one person, I make fun of a lot of people at the same time. Sorry you guys are seeing this, but
You can stare at these while I open
yeah,
them.
stare at these while we were opening the other. Oh, yeah, there. Got it.
I would cut these videos. I wouldn't upload them raw.
Honestly, I have nothing to say to you.
I know you have nothing to say.
You guys like cutting. I like
Cutting,
putting
so
them.
the subscribers, I bet you all of them in the comments will say, cut your videos, dude. We don't want to look at the cards.
So what? Honestly, if they do say that, I will start doing it. But until then,
Meow. Cascoon. Halucha. Petite. Ooh, half art Natsu. I think I have one of those. Those are cute.
why did they make those?
Trainers. Manectric. Ooh, a special energy. Double dragon.
Ooh, dragon.
Ooh.
That's helpful. I actually peeked it all. Ooh,
Another
a reverse
Articuno.
Articuno. Okay, sorry, I said that without showing it. And a Togekiss. Oh, I like the Togekiss.
So you have a common Articuno, and now you have a reverse one.
Yeah.
So, yay!
Alright, and that's it for my deck of cards, guys.
All right. Thank you again. As always, like, subscribe if you want. It's your choice. As always, I'm Shining Knight. Peace out.